Okay, so this is the puppy number 3. He has a ton of personality already. When I was just in there picking the puppies up to get them out to weigh him, he actually came over to me and intentionally crawled into my hand for me to pick him up. And look at him, he was loving it when I was petting him. He's actually had his little tiny tail wagging a second ago. But we'll weigh him. Doesn't look like he wants to wag his tail anymore, but it was probably one of the cutest things I've ever seen in my life. Come on, put him on there.
Oh, that was already on pounds?
You can do pounds or ounces, I think, or both, or whatever.
Pete on my hand.
He won't stay on it all the way. See if you can get that back paw up there. Alright, he's almost 3 pounds. Wow. Oh, he is. What in the world?
He's changing the unit.
Oh, slide him back over there. What's it on now? Kilogram. Holy cow, he's 1,000 pounds. Alright, how much?
Trying to get him to stay on there, bro.
As you can see, he's
rebel.
already active. He's already curious, and he's around 3 pounds already. That's number 3. You put that back on.